welcome to my video. If this is your first time, I am Robin Kay, a Chalk Couture independent designer, and welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing this Hello Spring. It's a mini transfers, and I'm going to be doing I dug out my pastel colors. I've got Morning Sky, Cool Breeze, Peachy Peony, Wisteria, Honey Dew, and Buttermilk. I'm going to be putting them on these chalk chippables. And I guess let's get started. Okay, now that I've chalked these up, I let them dry a little bit. Now I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup on them because I did get a little messy. But I wanted you to know, if you noticed, that I didn't mark the backs of them because since they're all small, we have these wonderful backer sheets that you can get. I believe it's 10 in a package, and they're like the B-size transfer, and I can put them all on one thing. When I'm done, I'm going to punch holes in the top of these chalk chippables, and I'm going to put them on a garland of, I've got some egg lights, and I'm going to put them on that. Some people have been taking them, buying their 12 of them, and in a package. You can get them in black or in white, and they have been making them into like memory games. You buy a crocodile too, and I'm going to put these strings and put that in there. Hopefully I get it centered right. I punched a hole in it, you see. Know more about this product that I have used. All the links for them the information is down below in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I want to thank you all for watching. Please stay safe, stay indoors, and my thoughts and prayers go out with all of you. And I have more information for the monthly stuff in my next video. Thank you again, and have a great day.